All right, in this unit, we're going to take a look at how to do some blogs using some Google tools. You can go to www.blogger.com, and that's going to take you to the Blogger tool within Google. Now, you'll see that I already have some blogs that are already established, and blogs can be a great way for you to manage daily activities or keep track of student work. Students can create their own blog right here, and so let's just show you how to get started. You're going to click on New Blog, and you're going to give a title to the blog. And so I'll call it my Google Course blog. You can type in the blog address that you want it to have. And look, it says my new blog address.blogspot.com. So I'm going to type in Smith course, and then I'll just use what they have here, and it says it's available, so I'm in good shape. I can scroll through and pick whichever template I want. I'll just keep it with the simple, and then I go to create blog, and I'm all set. And you'll notice it says it's managed by RL Schools. And so here is my new blog. No posts, but it's been created, so you can start posting. Well, before I start posting, I might want to invite my students here. And so it's kind of hidden, but you'll see there are all kinds of tools that you can pick up over on this side. And I'm going to go down to the one that says Settings. And this is the settings for my blog. And you'll see it says Blog Authors under Permissions down at the bottom. Add authors. So here's the tough part. You need to start adding some of your authors in. And so I would invite whatever students that I might want to join in here. And so I would only invite the students, and I'd have to type in their addresses. Now, one thing I have found is that this one can be a little bit tough to manage here, so I really want to choose from my contacts. So if I go into my contacts, I can choose from here, okay? And I have already got all my students in one of my courses, and so I can hit select all, and then I'll select them. Now, if I click invite, it's going to send them an email in which they'll have to join it. I don't really want to share this one with them, so I'm going to delete it out, but that's how you would invite your students. Now, it will have been important that you have already created a class in your contacts so that you can pull in all the names as I just did. So if I'm done, what you'll notice is all those little tools that were over there on the side are also available here, and so I could go to post. Now, since I really just want to post a new entry, I'm just going to hit new post. And then I'm ready to start typing. And so this is my first blog post, and I would just type my information. I can compose it all, and you'll notice and recognize a lot of the tools that are up here. You can set the size, you can set the font, you can do different types of headings. All the tools that you would normally see for word processing will be there. If you want to add an image, here is a place where you can insert it. You click on it, and then you can choose it from wherever you might already have. I'm going to choose a file, and as I've used in the past, I'm going to take my school logo, and I'll just click and load that in, and then I'm going to add selected, and there goes that image right in there. In the same way, I can add videos. I can just click here and upload, drag them right in, or get them from YouTube. And so by doing things this way, you can create a really media-centric blog post. Now, when you're done, you're going to hit publish. You can save it without posting, so if you get interrupted or you have to go somewhere, you can do that. But I'm going to hit publish here, and that will publish that first blog post. And so now I'm going to go all the way back out to my blogs, and let's take a look at how things look. So I have my Google Course blog here, and I have my other blogs, and I even have, since I've created too many, I have more here going back even several years. Now, if I wanted to post from this site to any of these, I could just click on the little pen, and that'll create a new post. Or I can go back and I can check out all the posts that are there. And I can post from here as well. It also allows you to do things with tags, which they're calling labels here. But there's a lot of rich tools that you can use to post in your blog.